Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got some exciting news from Toyota. They are taking luxury to a whole new level with the all new 2024 Century SUV, and we are here to break it down for you in a simple terms. You know the Toyota Crown, right? Well, Toyota decided to give it the SUV treatment, but that's not all. They have now introduced the Century SUV, which is like Japan's version of the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. It's super exclusive with only 30 units planned to be sold each month. And yes, it's even more luxurious than any Toyota or Lexus SUV you have seen before. But it comes at a price, a hefty 170,000 US dollars or 25 million Japanese yen. This Century SUV is a real giant. It's massive, measuring 197.8 inches long, 78.3 inches wide and 71 inches tall. That's shorter than the Century sedan but wider. Surprisingly, it only seats 4 people instead of the usual 5, with a wheelbase of around 116.1 inches and weighing in at around 5,665 pounds. That's a real heavyweight. Getting in and out of this luxury beast is a breeze. There are grab handles on the C-pillars, electrically deployed side steps and rear doors that open super wide, up to 75-degree angle. There are even minivan like sliding the rear doors for added convenience. Here, you won't find the typical Toyota badge on this Century SUV. Instead, it proudly displays the prestigious Phoenix emblem on the front and rear and multi-spoke wheels also, emphasizing its exclusivity. Underneath, it's built on Toyota's TNGA platform, but they have made improvements to the enhanced ride comfort. They have used a special glass in the cargo area separator to keep things quiet for those reclining in the rear seats. Plus, there's a rear comfort mode that ensures rear passengers aren't disturbed while driving. Now, let's talk about the power. This Century SUV features a plug-in hybrid powertrain with a 3.5-liter V6 engine, a CVT, and all-wheel drive thanks to a rear-mounted electric motor. It packs a punch of 406 horsepower, which is on par with the Lexus TX 550h+. Some might miss the 5.0-liter V8 from the sedan though. For those who in Japan, you will find this model at the selected dealers. Toyota plans to make this SUV truly one of a kind with customization options. And don't worry, the Century sedan is here to stay. Now let's talk about the conclusion. There you have it, the Toyota Century SUV, taking luxury to new heights. What are your thoughts on this lavish ride? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more automotive updates. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe, stay safe.